Hey there, awesome viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to find property owners by map in 2025. Whether you're a real estate enthusiast, an investor scouting for opportunities, or just curious about your neighborhood, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the latest tools and techniques. Let's dive right in. First off, why is this important? In 2025, property data is more accessible than ever, thanks to advanced mapping tech. It can save you time and effort when researching ownership for buying, selling, or even community projects. The key is using reliable, up-to-date resources while respecting privacy laws. Step 1. Start with a user-friendly mapping platform like Google Maps or the updated versions of real estate apps such as Zillow or Redfin. These tools now integrate AI for better accuracy. Open your preferred app, zoom into the property you're interested in, and look for the Property Details option. It's often just a tap away. Step 2. Once you're on the map, enter the address or use the search function to pinpoint the location. In 2025, many apps allow you to overlay public records directly. For example, in the US, you can link to county assessor websites that pull up owner names, purchase dates, and even estimated values. Step 3. If you're dealing with international properties, try global databases like OpenStreetMap combined with local government portals. Remember, always verify the information through official sources to avoid inaccuracies. Now, a few pro tips. Be mindful of data privacy regulations like GDPR in Europe or similar laws elsewhere. Use VPNs if needed for secure searches, and double-check details with public records offices. This ensures you're not only efficient but also ethical. There you have it, a straightforward way to find property owners using maps in 2025. Give this a try on your next project and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech-savvy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.